Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides. So in here, we have e to the power of negative 2x minus e to the power of 2x. So that means we need to divide both sides by negative number 2. So this one we change by u. This one with the s we change by the u over negative number 2. So this one we have the power 2 and the cube root. We can put into u to the power of 2 over 3. So if I want to put this one on numerator, we have u to the power of negative number 2 over 3. And now we can apply the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now we can apply the formula in here. So this one we have 1 over 3. This one we have 1 over 3. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.